We've built out our recursive router. Now it's time to put it into action. When we were last testing out our Margarita token, we were trying to run unit tests and make sure that our contract worked with every coin that could interact with Curve. The problem is Brownie token tester can't necessarily keep up with all the new factory pools, all the new pools that get launched, but we could use this new recursive router to build something better. I have the script open here on the left-hand side, script/minter.py. Now, I'm not actually going to walk through it because we're still at a point where the Curve router and the Curve factory pools are changing very fast. So I'm probably going to be making a lot of changes to this, but I'm going to walk through just some of the basics. Curve has, within just the registry here, about 60 coins. Pulled here in line 18. We are looping on this script through every single coin that Curve has, and we're running this new token minter. This token minter is this much larger class that I created here. And again, this is going to be in a bit of flux. If you look at the repository and you try and run this and it's not getting back all the tokens up to date, just bug me and I'll see if I can update it. You can also try looping this through the factory or through the crypto registry. Any coin on Curve, ideally, we should be able to find a route. The way that it works is we load up the mint function. The mint function will first try and use Brownie token tester. If this works, fantastic. We're in good news. If it's not, then we're going to try and use the recursive router. The recursive router is going to first take a look at this run overall path. It's going to see if there's a direct route. There's a direct route that just means that you call up, for example, the Curve exchange and you can swap between those pairs. No problem. Start with aDAI, move there directly. If that doesn't work, then it pulls up the Curve recursive router that we built previously, runs the crypto path. And if it works out, then it runs that much more complex routing between all the different pools to get us to where we need to be. How's it work? How's the results? Over here on the right-hand side, I went ahead and ran this already. And you can see that in terms of the 60 coins, when we ran it, every single one was able to end up with a balance. So now we can basically take this, we can feed any of these coins into our token tester and guarantee that we're testing with a balance. Hopefully this comes in handy. Again, script was very complex, took me a lot of time to write this out. Ended up being 450 lines, and I'm sure that by the time you check it out in the repository, Curve will have gotten so much more complex, it may even be more lines. So again, if you notice any bugs, just give a shout. It's going to be a bit of an experiment trying to keep this up to date. If no one bugs me, I'm not going to bother keeping it up to date. So make sure to bug me in the comments below or on the Curve dev channel.